a group consists of 3 men and 5 women. Find the number of ways of selecting 5 people. Okay. So 3 and 5 total 8 लोग हैं, 8 में से 5 लोग को select करना है. This can be done in 8C5 ways, right? Number of ways of selecting 3 people. Again 8 में से 3 लोग को select करना है, 8C3. Guys हम लोग observe करते हैं 8C5 क्या हो जाएगा, 8 factorial n factorial divide by r factorial into n minus r factorial, right? So ये 3 हो जाएगा basically, right? 3 factorial. Similarly 8C3 अब क्या हो जाएगा, 8C3 will be 8 factorial divided by 3 factorial and 5 factorial, right? So these two are equal, right? So what do you observe, 8C5 is equal to 8C3. इस 3 को मैं लिख सकता हूँ 8 minus 3, right guys? So 8C5 is same as 8C5 minus 3. 8C5 is same as 8C5 minus 3. So from here you can remember the logic. NCR guys is always equal to NC n minus R. And guys हमने जो binomial की property देखी थी कि the coefficient of the rth term is same as the n minus rth term, उसका reason ये भी है. Okay, यही है actually. Okay, NCR जो होता है NC n minus R के बराबर होता है. So the binomial coefficients of the first term and last term, second term and second last, third and third last term, that is why they were same. So remember NCR is same as NC n minus. Okay. Going on further, guys, the number of ways of selecting 5 people such that a particular man A should not be selected. Okay, so we have in total 8 people. Okay, और हमें 5 लोग को select करना है. Okay, but the condition is a particular man A should not be selected, right? So हमारे पास men के लिए 2 ही option available है and women के लिए 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. तो हमें 7 में से 5 लोग को select करना है, right? हमने एक को निकाल दिया selection में से. So 7 people available है, 5 select करना है. Total number of ways is 7C5. Okay. Next, similar question. The number of ways of selecting 5 people such that a particular man A should be selected. Okay. अब constraint ये है guys, of the 5 people that need to be selected उनमें से एक तो होना ही चाहिए as A. Okay. तो 5 में से अगर मैंने एक आदमी A select कर लिया, there are remaining 4 people, right? So from the remaining 2 men and 5 women, that is 7 people, I now need to select only 4 people. This can be done in 7C4 ways. Okay. All right. So number of ways of selecting without including a person, we got 7C5, and number of ways of selecting including a person, we got a 7C4, right? Let's add these two guys and check क्या आता है. So 7C5 is 7 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 5 factorial. वैसे ही 7C4 क्या हो जाएगा, 7 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 4 factorial, right? Now when you add these two guys, what you can observe is यहाँ पे 5 factorial can be split as 5 into 4 factorial. And this 3 factorial can be split as 3 into 2 factorial, right? अब इन दोनों में से you can take 7 factorial outside, you can take 4 factorial and 2 factorial from the denominator also, right? So taking all these 3 terms common, you will simply get 1 by 5 plus 1 by 3 inside. अंदर जाके cross multiplying, you will simply get 7 factorial upon 2 factorial into 4 factorial into 8 by 5 into 3. Now again guys, ये numerator क्या हो जाएगा, इसका numerator हो जाएगा 8 into 7 factorial, जो कि हो जाएगा 8 factorial. And denominator में 3 into 2 factorial and 5 into 4 factorial again will give you 3 factorial and 5 factorial, right? So it is basically 8 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 5 factorial, right? This is nothing but 8C5. So guys, from here we can make a very strong observation that number of ways of selecting 5 persons without including a person A and number of ways of selecting 5 persons including a person A. Okay, this comes out to be the total number of selections 8C5 जो possible थे, right? Okay, so total selections basically will be formed by either including a person or excluding a person, right? Okay, and दूसरा चीज which you see from here is guys 7C5 okay plus 7C4 is 8C5. That means if you take this as 7C4 plus ये क्या हो जाएगा 7C4 plus 1, this will be equal to 7 plus 1 C4 plus 1. Okay, in general we'll be saying that NCR plus NCR plus 1 is n plus 1 CR plus 1 for all values of n and r, right? Okay, so these are some relations of binomial coefficients we saw here. We'll solve a couple of questions based on them now. So let's see. Find R given that 7CR is 7CR plus 1. Okay, you can directly use the form definition of combinations n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. तो ये 7 factorial कट जाएगा दोनों में. Okay, now guys you can cross multiply. Okay, when you do that, okay, ये term यहाँ आ जाएगा, ये term यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, एक ही बात है. Okay, now r plus 1 factorial guys can be written as r plus 1 into r factorial, right? And this 7 minus r factorial can be written as 7 minus r multiplied by 7 minus r minus 1 factorial, right? So that's exactly what we'll do in the next step. Okay, so उससे क्या हो जाएगा guys, 7 minus r minus 1 तो cancel हो जाएगा factorial both sides पे, and also you will cancel out the value of r factorial on both sides, right? सिर्फ एक ही चीज बचेगी, on the left hand side 7 minus 4 7 minus r, and on the right hand side r plus 1. Okay, simplifying, you get 2r equal to 6 or r equals to 3. Okay, but this question can be solved very, very, very easily by understanding the relation between the binomial coefficients that we saw some time back. Okay, so it is given that 7cr is 7cr plus 1, but we also know that 7cr will be same as 7cn minus r, right? Because ncr we know is same as ncn minus r, right? So you can basically equate these two, right? Okay, so r plus 1 is 7 minus r, 2r is 6, r is 3. Super, right? Shortcut.